Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just on the north side of Red Wing is this really cool historic road. I want to show that to you guys. Plus, I want to show you something you do not want to cross. And then we'll head down to another area that I hope is not flooded out. We'll find out when we get there. In 1849, $40,000 was provided to build a military post road that ran from Mendota to Wabasha in Minnesota. This dirt road is a well-preserved fragment of that military road. It still exists between Colossian Road to the north and Cannon Valley Trail to the south. In 1991, it was listed in National Register of Historic Places. In 1921, the road became part of the state's trunk highway system, and a new concrete girder bridge over the Cannon River was built. That's this bridge here. It didn't last forever. In 1931, the state built a new section of highway, which is now known as Highway 61. The Cannon River section of the original military road was dropped from the trunk highway system. The city of Red Wing officially acquired this section of the road when Red Wing and Burnside Township consolidated in 1971. Due to safety concerns and ongoing flooding, the city decided to close this stretch to traffic in the 1990s. In 2012, the city removed the two iron bridges, but the concrete bridge remains over the main channel. So if you look at Garmin Gaia, it'll tell you that you can actually cross this bridge. Do not cross this bridge. It's unsafe, it's closed, and even if you did happen to cross it, the other two bridges to get you across the Cannon River, well, they've been long gone. So if we travel down this road a little farther past the bridge, we'll end up in an area called Pickerel Slough. I saw some signs that say it's closed, probably due to some high water, but let's go check it out. Well, I made it as far as I could until I hit the gate that said closure due to high water. I just pulled off into a parking area just off the road. I'm gonna go ahead and walk down and see if we can find out just how high that water is, if I don't get eaten by mosquitoes first. Man, it is bad out here. Well, it looks like this is the end of the line down to Pickerel Slough, and you can see why it's closed. I would imagine this whole area was underwater for a while, and this is just the remaining part that's bad enough that you can't drive through. Hopefully it'll open up soon. Holy crap, that walk was a lot longer than I thought. Well, that's Military Road in Pickerel Slough. I wish it was open all the way, but we'll have to wait till next time. If you want to see more roads like this, please give a subscribe and give a like to this video too. That'd be great. Until the next video, I will see you guys all down the road. Take it easy.